Hello. Today we are starting a new chapter in Redline Lab community. And on the Redline Lab, we have a say, dare to be remarkable, build to be unforgettable. And to start this series of podcasts, I thought best way is go back to our root and our culture, which started from education. Educating the people on blockchain and crypto and everything and anything about our ecosystem. Today I have my great friends, founders of Crypto Manji, and two great individuals. Not only they have perfect the way people can learn about the crypto and blockchain, they have also been leader of the ecosystem and helping the people to have a voice and present themselves in this ongoing challenged world of blockchain and the crypto. We'll start with Mr. Chirag and Ray. Glad to see you guys here.
Thanks.
Thank you for having a time today with us.
Of course.
And to start with, I think we're gonna talk about who Chirag and Ray are and what happened, and was a tornado happened? You guys started Crypto Manji. What was the reason? Why would you want to be the educator? And so give me some behind of the scene.
Okay, so first of all, yes, my name is Chirag. I started in the technological side of the things, building websites and everything. And I always had that thing that I need to self-study, because most of the time universities and everything, like I didn't have the opportunity to learn about that. The stuff that was actually making money on that time, right? Like websites at that time. So that was almost 20 years ago. And as the time was continue, I realized that many people were struggling on making money, on knowing that the new technological side of the things, internet was changing very fast. We started from internet cafes. I was managing one of them, and I was looking at how many foreigners were coming to the internet cafe and locals coming to internet cafe, because nobody was able to afford, let's say, a computer to start learning. Blockchain didn't even exist or anything like that. And then when the cell phones begin to promote like a good speed of internet and apps and technological side, we started to realize that the educational side of the good things was very nice, but also it came up with such of bad things with scammers and many bad people that I was saying friends getting scammed and everything. So everything started like from the educations. We also lost like a lot of money from people that took away from us like our hard work from many years in seconds, let's say. So we decided that we need to stop this, and the only way that we can stop, first of all, that people avoid to get scammed is through education. And when we realize and we continue to educate people, we started to realize that they don't only was able to stop being scammed, but they also started to making money. So we know that to education we can empower people and we can also enrich people.
Got it. Ray?
That's nice. I will try to summarize my story, how I get to Crypto Manji. So I started in the aviation industry. Mm-hmm. So by the way, my name is Ray Rodriguez.
Yes.
You can call me Ray. So I started maybe 12 years ago in the aviation industry. I was doing maybe all the positions in that industry, and I was growing, and I was actually seeing at that time that technology were advancing very fast. And I was seeing how, maybe job positions were being replaced by systems, by processes. Yeah. And later, I began to start learning many things. And one of those things was trading. I went to a few academies. I was trying to learn. Then, in that same path, I discovered crypto. Mm-hmm. in the same path. And I discovered like a lot of people was trying to understand it, was trying to get the information, but they don't really get a they don't really have a place to get the real information from.
Mm-hmm.
So what it was happening is that people was trying to learn, but they don't know where to.
Mm-hmm.
And the some information they have on the website, whatever, in the YouTube, whatever you want to call it, it was not clear information. So people was trying to build things, to invest, to do a lot of things, but they don't have the complete information. And I explain this because in one moment we reached to the same situation, same position, and we understand that, you know what, let's first learn how this works correctly, and then once we have the knowledge, let's share that information with the people that are requiring it. So this is how we get to Crypto Manji, and that's why we have the same vision to share all the knowledge that we learned between the years that pass, and now we want to bring and add that value to the people so they can have this information. By the way, I have to say that there is a lot of information in English, but then when we get to the Spanish information from Latin market,
not much to find.
there is not much information, and there is the way that Crypto Manji is in that English.
Yeah. So with that said. Many of you guys know Redline started 5 years ago in Panama, and when I started here, there were very few people,
Right.
and talking about what we are envisioning, and one of them I can say gladly was Chirac. Chirac was one of the first educators in Panama ecosystem, alongside with a few other great friends of ours. They've been doing what needs to be done in the first place. And if you look at Chirac's story, didn't come from the trust fund, didn't come from the millions of dollars backing, and hard work, and made him who he is today. And I'm proud to call him a friend and also business partner. And so what he has done is just what you just said, took the chance and helped the people, which we call them redliners, to have a say and to have an image front of everybody else who is in need of this sort of conversations.
Right.
Chirac, you and Ray, you have started something together. How did that happen? How did you guys get to each other?
We actually met almost 7 years ago, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, so between 7 to 8 years ago, studying in the same. Actually, it's very, very funny because it's nothing to do with trading or crypto or anything like that.
True.
It was more likely we were learning how to sell supplementary products. Like
Interesting.
Like supplementary products. That was very crazy, and then we realized that we learned like a lot of skills, because if you are able to to sell a bag of bunch of vitamins, let's call it that way, you are able to sell education in a way like that people can actually learn a system that they can have. So Crypto Manji, many people don't know this, but Crypto Manji started has a name 4 years ago. And we started building with the really good friends, the educational for free also. We started to get a community. But after that, we were reached by a company that they wanted like a professional, high quality education for their companies. So we thought like, oh, so there is professionals that they want to learn about this stuff.
Right.
And then exponentially wants to move forward about their professions. So we took it from that place. We stopped at Crypto Manji for a while, and then we came back 1 year ago with more than 80 videos for free, educating people, everything organized. So so maybe some people go to YouTube to try to learn about smart contract, but how they know they need to learn about smart contract if they don't know that thing exists? So Crypto Manji facilitated everything.
So why Crypto Manji? Where's the name coming from?
Actually, it's very funny. Many people think it's from Jumanji or something like that. Yeah. But actually, the Manji is wisdom in different cultures like India or let's say Japan. So it's something like the svastic, but not the wrong svastic. Is the oldest one. that is really like wisdom, freedom. So we took that Manji and bring it together to crypto. So we're really trying to give wisdom to people through the crypto education.
Walk me through the Crypto Manji. Me, with full transparency, Redline Lab is one of the sponsors and partners of the Crypto Manji, and we are happy to have you guys as one of our portfolio companies. Talk about the Crypto Manji on a retail side. How easy it is for people to come in, register, learn, and let's start with that.
Yeah, so also we're very happy you, Soren, took a really trust to us as a Crypto Manji, because you always has belief into give education to people to bring like with all the portfolio you guys are also investing in the ecosystem. You guys may know, may not know, but you are doing like a big real impact on many people's lives.
True.
So thank you for that, and also that Crypto Manji is very easy to for a people like to sign up. They just need to go to click a link, name, email, and boom, they're ready to learn for more than 80 videos. And then if they want to get a higher education form, they just need to sign up or to pay like nothing to get information about different categories from professions that you can even get certified, like legal tech, governance, DAOs, real world assets, and everything, AI agency.
Right.
So you can be able to not only have a marketing agency using AI, but to go deeper than that you can automate process, create chatbots, do those things, and also be a Web3 blockchain developer.
Correct.
So we are into that space that we have all in one, that people can easily start learning and become like a professional and get certified.
Crypto Manji right now built on a school, right? So through the account abstraction and easily onboarding them, people can just basically register immediately within a few clicks. They get the registration code, and then we'll be able to do that. We also have the premium service, correct?
Yes.
What does premium service about? Like, what you guys are offering on the premium service?
On the premium service, a difference between that, we only offer in the free service 80 videos, but yes, you will learn, you will actually even make some money with that. But with the premium service, you will take your, let's say, job or your career or your business into a higher level.
Yeah.
How? Because we not only teach the conceptual part or the theoretical part, we also give them like how to develop properly the things and how to use that technology with the use cases and everything to make actually business, to get business, win grants, and also like to have the skills to make it for yourself. So imagine one person that has access to internet, but they don't know how to make money, and they need to make money to put at least a better bread on the table for their family. So Crypto Manji helps to do that, like with the easy access for everybody. They can, because at the end of the day, easy access do not mean that it's a pure education.
Yeah.
No, we people and companies like Redline are investing on Crypto Manji just to make it easier for everybody to join as easier, because you guys are taking the majority of the cost, so we can help as many people
Correct.
as we can.
Correct.
So from that part, yes, people can join and they will be able to learn skills that will help to their profession, jobs, business, and also to put a better meal on their tables, winning money with the skills.
Right. Going back to the technology side, right now we know Crypto Manji is going through the changes, and then we are building our own LMS, and then that will give us more chances to be able to offer better services to bigger audiences coming to Crypto Manji. Can you just touch on that quickly?
Of course.
Yeah.
So because we are now implementing our own system, we are going to have no limits now.
Correct.
So that's why we are looking for it. Our goal is to have no roof, so we can go ahead and expose all the information we have available to everyone, everywhere. Correct. And now when we have the control of our own learning management system, then we make the rules from that point. So that's going to be a big change that is going to come very soon. And we expected that when this is ready, we're going to be the game changer in the education
For
industry.
two of you guys, whoever wants to chime in, vibe coding, AI, intelligence, which is like in a fast track right now. With 5 minutes, you and I can
Yes.
build a website right now through AI, right?
Right.
How do you see that impact on people? And people are scared right now. They don't know
Yeah.
where to go and how to learn all these things. And how are you positioning Crypto Manji to be that place for everyone to come in and then start learning without hesitation or high ticket entrance fee, which many other platforms are offering? How do you do that?
For me, is very interesting on how we can let the people know to do that, because many people think that, oh, AI will replace my job. I cannot stay useful.
Right,
So
right.
how can I do that? So it's not like my job of building websites that took me 2-3 days now will be gone. No, now you have the potential ability to do it in 5 minutes, so you can be able to get more clients, which that means get more money and make it easier your life. So that's what we help. Like, we help you to stay useful, to know about this stuff, so people can realize that there is a place that they can
So
go.
we don't have to be scared of our digital twin,
Yes.
right? Going to come and destroy us. And
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I believe that's very important. That's why when I was in the aviation industry, people were scared about the changes of technology. But with AI, for example, this is the way you can improve yourself. This is a leverage information. If you use this information, doesn't matter what you do, you're going to be better at it. If
do
you
I have
understand
to
it.
be 18 years old to start all of this? Because many people are in different kind of industries and now they see themselves sidelined because like they're right now 50, 40, 60,
Right.
and they still have that power. They still have that knowledge to be able to share with the people. Are you also helping those kind of people? Is it open for everyone from 18 to 100 to come and learn?
There is for everyone. The information is for everyone, and that's the importance of systems like Crypto Manji, because as I just mentioned before, we have no roof, so
Yeah.
there's no limits. We are going to be able to teach guys from school,
Yeah.
and we're going to be able to teach elderly people that want to learn about it or want to use this technology for their needs. So it's going to adapt to each
Yeah.
people's needs, and that's the beauty.
Unfortunately, our time is limited today, right? So
Yeah.
even though your platform is unlimited, our time is limited. And I want to ask you for a last word. How can people find you? How can follow you? And then how they can onboard to Crypto Manji if you want to start?
Yeah, of course. First of all, we are on Instagram, Crypto Manji. You can look us directly. We also kind of have directly on our Instagram, we have the link so you can access direct to school. So you just one click away, and you're going to be in the registration
So
point.
Instagram, Crypto Manji, follow the Crypto
Crypto
Manji at
Manji.
Instagram, and then be able to onboard on school in a
You're going to
one
go
click.
direct, one click. That's it.
Perfect. Chirag?
Also, you can visit our cryptomanji.com website. There you will see the latest update always on what we offer.
Right.
And yeah, we're getting like a really, really good rebranding. So people will be very excited on to
Yeah.
having to take out that limitation that school is offering right now to boost our students, so they can also.
You have to also mention many of universities and colleges are reaching out right now to Crypto Manji to
Yes.
be able to put the Crypto Manji on their curriculums and people can learn and get certified in the entire thing you do. With that
That's the
said,
mission.
thank you so much for being here today.
Well, thank
And
you.
Today was our
Thank you.
actually premiere,
Okay.
and we want to start with education. And education is a big part of what Redline Lab does. And I want to finish it with, for audience who are watching this video, follow Chirag and Ray on their portfolios and profiles on the LinkedIn, and then go to cryptomanji.com.
Yep.
And as Ray said, Instagram, follow the Crypto Manji, and follow us in redlinelab.io,
Yes.
and then message us if you have any question.
For sure.
And I want to finish with, again, dare to be remarkable and build to be unforgettable.
Nice.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Soren.